Hey guys, today we're making some shade for our plants. Today's video we're going to be making a DIY PVC pipe shading, and we're going to be using tomato netting / garden netting as our shade producer. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our PVC frame. Here we've marked out where we are going to be cutting it. And at the beginning of the video, I showed you all of the basic plan for our frame, PVC frame. But you can see we are now cutting our PVC pipe and getting it ready. And once we've finally cut this, we went ahead and pre-cut everything for you. Here are the PVC connectors we'll be using. We won't be using these exact connectors because we actually bought a size too short, but we'll have several different sizes of PVC connectors in the description. But we've already gone ahead and built our PVC frame. This is what it'll look like, a nice rectangular prism. We'll be putting some vegetables and some maples under it. But now we are opening the package that holds our shade producer, the garden netting. And the garden netting, it does not block all sunlight, so your plants will still get the needed sunlight that they need to continue to let them grow and be healthy. So no reason to worry about that. But we are taking out the tomato netting / garden netting. There's the rope that we'll be using to attach this to our PVC. But we're going to lay it out and show you what it looks like. Links to this garden netting are in the description. There it is in light. And if we go ahead and look into it, you can see the weave, so you can see that there's still a few holes in it. And there's the hole where we're going to be tying through to attach this garden netting to the PVC. Here we already went ahead and put on the garden netting, and we put the plants under the shade. So here's our vegetables that we have, and there's our maples. But we can look and see that it is letting in a little bit of light while providing a shade so your plants don't get baked. But we have a variety of plants. But that's going to be all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try and make a DIY like we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports me. And goodbye.